Yo. Shit, let me fix my audio shit. Oh, stuff is? Good, good, good. What you been up to?
Work. Got home like an hour ago and taking like a challenge.
Got you. What challenges you poking at?
Right now I'm looking at the top 3 crypto ones. Have you messed with much today?
I've been poking around at some crypto stuff, malware, and reverse.
Where are you going on the crypto ones?
Right now I'm poking around at the baby RSA jump. I've a kind of a lead, so I'm kind of following through with that one for now.
I've messed with RSA barely, but that one confused me with the CT. I don't know what CT is on the...
It's ciphertext.
These are good questions. I feel like they're actually achievable compared to that last one.
Secure nets or space heroes?
The secure nets.
Gotcha. Alright, What challenge are you working on?
Poking at that one now that we talked about it. Reading through the whole
RSA thing. Yeah.
It was like math.
Yeah. Welcome to cryptography.
What the heck? Okay, be back 1 second. Well, that's a first. My doorbell has never been rung in the whole time I've lived in this apartment. Random strangers trying to convert me to their religion.
Ooh. That's funny as shit.
Yeah.
So you never knew like what it sounded like or anything?
No.
That's funny.
So we're given n and e. So the e is the public variable, and n is.
I think it's like the big num.
First, we need to get p and q. Then is that what it's at?
So what?
We need to try to get p and q, and then to be able to convert the ciphertext into integer. This stuff confuses me.
Yeah, photography is weird. Yeah, I'll share my screen. Where's Discord's being super weird right now.
Someone joined and left. I didn't.
Yeah, I saw that. It was That's crazy. That's real life crazy. I was like, why is Discord being so weird? It just crashed. I was like, oh, got you. Yeah, but now let me share my screen, kind of give you my thoughts. Yeah, I'll give you this link. I don't know how helpful this actually is, but where's Fizz? Oh yeah, they were talking, because at the end of their little talk, I just saved it to a file, so I keep running it. They said the 3 parts of the quiz each have primitive attack on improper implementation of RSA. So I'm figuring that there are like ways we can get shit, right? This is what I got, like they give you the ciphertext, the N and E, so you just have to solve for the plain text. What is the plain text?
Yeah, in integer form, whatever that is.
So I'm assuming you have to, like, because this is the equation right here now. Is there like a way we could reformat it so we're solving for PT? Or is there like a different equation for that?
Well, there's an equation, if you look a little under that, it solves for...
Oh, so PT equals CT to the power D modulus N. Okay. So let's try this. So CT to the power. Does this thing have a power thing? Oh yeah, I gotta love calculators. You know what? When else fails, Python. Yeah. B Python. That syntax side, that ain't cool. Alright, so to the power of D. So what's D?
That's what we don't have yet.
Who's D?
It is...
Oh, hold on, my audio's being weird. Let me switch my stuff.
Ah!
What's
What's up? What's up, Mati? Alice and Bob's encrypted messages.
Private exponent. Oh, that's decrypt.
There we go. I can hear you guys now.
Cool. So, Mati, private exponent?
Hey, what are you guys working on?
When did they send us or use D?
They don't. That's what... I think we have to solve for D there. But then we're also solving for PT, so...
I'm so confused. And we just do like 3.
Further back, how do we get ciphertext? So it's PT. What's before that?
We solve for this. Just say x is equal to that. Oh, fun. Cool. So with x, if we just do modulus like n.
And weird, yeah. Is that our D?
Oh, I guessed with 3, so it could be virtually any number. Incorrect.
Okay,
Wait, so
it's
if I take the
saying-
quiz again, is it the same numbers? Those different numbers. 297, they're different numbers. Oh, fun.
If you go down a little bit after the first 2 conversations between the 2 people, it's telling us to import a crypto.util library from Python and get a prime number.
Let's see. Let's talk about key generation, blah, blah, blah. Secure RSA includes the use of 248-bit, 196 prime numbers. You don't know how to get...
Oh, here. It looks like n equals p times q. So if we get the prime number... Oh man, this is breaking my head.
Oh, yeah, so this number is... Wait, I forgot factors, I think. I forgot which one's multiplication. The 2 components that are being
When
multiplied
I watched
together.
some John Hammond videos on this, he uses a site called... Let me try to find it. FactorDB.com. You can put in like the n and it'll return the factors.
FactorDB.com. Oh yeah, HTTP, let's go. Oh, so I would put like n.
So put n in there and then we get... So we have I think the private exponent then would be 15. Because we get this number 15. And then it equals those 2 numbers. So those are p and q, I'm assuming.
This is P and this is Q.
Maybe.
So this P and this is Q. Theoretically, I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
So what's 15 again?
That... I have no idea, actually.
Cool.
I know it's that. It says digits, so is it each of those 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 15 is just the number of digits in that number.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So if that's P and that's Q, how do we solve for plain text?
So the next step is this weird character, and I have no idea what that is.
Lambda.
Yeah, that times n, so we already have n.
What the fuck is the value of lambda? Hold up. Lambda value.
Got my ultra wide monitor back in here.
Got noise. Allow. Oh my god. No.
Thanks.
No, I'm good, man.
Was it a lot of
Letter
notifications?
lambda. It was asking me for my location. I was like,
Is there a
dog.
way to do lambda in Python?
So lambda in Python is a function. So you would like you can like it's literally like fuck.
It's
run.
LAM and then...
Yeah, see it already pops up here, yeah. So you can do
just
like
do that.
lambda x.
What the fuck is...
But you
Who's
can just do
Nilcom?
like x.
So
Your
just
mom,
do lambda n equals LCM. I don't know what that is either.
Who has all... points on
No,
our
because
team?
lambda, like I could do something like this. So lambda, and then x times 2. So then I could just do a double. But if I could spell double, that would be great. And I could do like 2. And it'll give me 4. So it's basically a function, but you can make it one line. So like if you are making a function, but you don't, if you're only doing one line of code in your function, basically, if you're only doing one expression, it allows you to simplify and cut it down. But I don't know if it's different in math than it is in Python.
The amount of terminals I can comfortably fit on this screen is insane.
How big is it?
What size is it? It's I need to check. It's one of the big, it's one of the big Dell ultra wide curved monitors. I can comfortably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, maybe 10 terminals if I needed to.
Hacker man.
On God.
Hack all the things all at once. Who has all the points on our team, by the way? Is that System?
Whoa. Okay, okay.
Big.
So, get Prime. It takes a second for it to actually get the Prime. It's fucking slow as shit. There you go.
Are you streaming?
Alright. I'm recording right now. But I was streaming earlier. But I'm recording now.
What's with your name and the Discord, by the way?
I'm Shepard. I don't know. We were making jokes, I think. I don't remember exactly how this whole thing went down. It was like, alright, so if the plain text is equal to the ciphertext to the power of D, Alice now has Bob's encrypted message and uses her private exponent, D, to decrypt. E is her public exponent. And D is her private. That's crazy. I literally taught this and I'm still struggling. Oh, so RSA private key is comprised of two integers, D and N. N is the public modulus and D is the private exponent. I actually might. And this point, IT, breaking, ciphers, Cosmodium.
This whole thing makes no sense to me.
I feel like throwing my mouse in a circle makes it go faster.
Throw the mouse in a circle.
Do, 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 do.
So, I have this weird. Remember we told you about doing Wild Ride? It's a forensics challenge, but it's a locked zip file. All the magic numbers state that it is a zip file. Everything inside of it looks as if it should be a zip file, and there's files inside of it. But it requires a password, and to me that seems weird that that's what you're going after for a forensics challenge. I mean, I know the idea is to, like, get the package open, and then from there you'll probably find the data you need, but...
You can crack passwords. There's a tool. I think, I don't know how to say his name, Loy Lian Yang, that hacker guy. He made a video.
Okay, I got past the first part.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, using the decode.fr site, you can put in PQ, ciphertext, public key.
Decode.fr. Oh, that jump. Or like the letter decode, right? Yeah.
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 And then look up the RSA cipher. And then just make sure you're... Okay.
Chiffre RSA, or is it just... No, I think it's just... Is it like shift-free RSA or some shit?
No, it's just RSA cipher. It's just time series.
Right.
If you do RSA and then, yeah, cipher right there.
Oh, big. Oh, this is I'm missing a value?
So your C is your CT. Your E is the E, obviously, and then N. And then you have to do P and Q from that factor DB set.
Oh, P and Q from the factor DB. That's part of N, right?
Yeah. You get the two numbers. Those two. That's P. It's so annoying to copy.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know why they make it a link.
So the first one's P, and then Q. Got you.
There you go. And that should be your answer there to get to your second one.
Okay.
Second one is the same thing, except for it's way bigger numbers, and I can't copy the factor DB thing.
Wait,
'Cause
what
it's
the
like-
fuck?
Yeah, just wait a sec. It takes a minute.
Good old,
Cat.
yep. Whoa. So it gives you a new value of N, a E of 3. E of 3 is quicker though, and then a CT.
Yeah.
So you just have to do the same thing basically?
Yeah, but I can't on the factor DB site. When you do, just do it. You'll see. Do N in there and see what you get in return.
Oh, I see.
Trying to find it in the website code, but it's not actually in there yet.
What the fuck?
I found Mercury BW900 smart bulb working with Genius Hill, and you can control it.
Alright, dog. You should do what? Like finding the code or some shit?
Yeah, I'm trying to find it in the JavaScript.
Smart bulb 3 from Genius Hill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Mercury BW900
It's in the JavaScript. It's not even fully.
I found Mercury
Yeah.
BW904 smart bulb from
Is it
Genius
in
Hill, and you can
HTML?
control it. Turn
Oh,
off
wait, hold
Mercury
on.
BW904 smart bulb. I found Mercury BW904 smart bulb 6 from Genius Hill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Mercury BW904 smart bulb 6.
Alexa, set dim lights to purple.
Dan doesn't support that.
Bro, what the fuck is GCF from? Oh.
Oh, can you do get prime with that? Because that would get
Math.
the prime number of.
I'm trying. Like, GC, like greatest common denominator is that we had to get? Or some shit? Like. I literally forgot how math works. Yeah, but I don't know. Because, yeah, someone was talking about polar RHO. And I'm too lazy to read exactly, but it has to do with, like, the algorithm for prime factorization. So what are these? Like the greatest common factors, right?
I think so.
Oh god, that's hurt in my head. 2014. Oh, I see. Hold up. I think I got it. just gave me a 2014 number. Oh, is that what this got? Oh, no. Wait, now I'm confused.
Oh wait, it's the same number.
Yeah, I just said, yeah, that's what I just saw.
Alexa, turn off dim lights.
Dim doesn't support.
Alexa, turn off this dick.
Alright, maybe it can't be factored, so we can just send it without the P&Q. I did get a return. I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, made it. Called a small E attack.
So when the E is 3, you don't have a P or a Q?
No. So when the E is a small number, they can, I guess it's called a small E attack, and they don't need it, I guess, or they just bypass it or brute force it.
Oh, gotcha. Should I just throw that into Python or something?
So I just. Oh, I see what you're talking about. Do it. But get the P and Q first with N.
Well, Q equals P plus 2.
Attack is classic, although E3 may make calculations quicker. Secure. So this is basically just brute forcing P and Q, I think.
Well, technically we only need to get P, right? Because Q would just be 2 higher than P. And then, well, not...
Well, it's not prime.
Well, it's not prime. Q will plus equal 2, so it's going to add that 2 value.
I just found a John Hammond video where he introduced himself as ruder than all.
Yeah, I know. This is crazy. So N is equal to...
There's an attack in this called the wiener attack.
Called the what?
The wiener attack. Wiener's attack failed.
Up to 70 digits is crazy. I'm gonna need a little bit more than 70.
Oops.
I tried to calculate this number and the website literally gave me a notification that it's fucking slowing down. my web browser because it's such a large number. Oh, if you're looking for the prime factors, use this calculator. Got you. Oh, the website literally killed itself. Oh, wow. Oh, fuck. Let's try that again. Oh, flashbang. Goddamn. Alright, yeah, use prime factors because this is... Or is it because it's not prime? We can't use... I'm fucking confused. Hold up.
I am too. Wow, this is not prime. I don't understand why it's saying n, because we already have n. I guess we're looking for...
Maybe it's showing us how we got in. And with that, we need to kind of reverse engineer it. So...
I really need to solve for Q.
Q is equal to P plus 2. Oh! Oh! I just figured... Oh, okay, okay. I think I know how to do it. We just have to brute force it like you were saying. I'm just doing Python. Is there a is prime? Like if I import...
Yeah, it's in that same, that crypto one they were talking about earlier.
Is it really?
Yeah. Crypto.utils. I think it's
Crypto.util?
crypto.util.number.
Import crypto.
Yeah, and it's capital C and capital U. I don't know if that matters.
Just to be safe. .util. That's it? Crypto.util?
And then dot number, I'm pretty sure you also.
That number.
And then you should be
Oh, there you go. Is prime. Got you. Alright, so... Got you. Alright, let's do this in the file. Let's get this bread. So... Import... Crypto... We'll just do RSA decrypt dot py. Alright, so literally we can just copy this, paste this. Why is it giving me this? Why is it giving me this? So n equals p times q.
So you
Yeah,
just need to write
and then
an if or a check to make sure that times that equals n.
yeah. So p is just going to equal 1, and then we'll just keep incrementing it. Right. So while while I guess p is not equal to n, then we'll do that, and then we'll just print p.
You want
Is
to
that
do
right?
is not equal to n times, or p times q is not equal to n.
Alright, how about this? True.
Yeah, and then just write a break.
And then we'll write the if statement. So if p is not equal to n, what, divided by q?
So if p times q does not equal n,
So if
then
p
increment.
times q is not equal to n, then we can, what's it, p plus equals 1,
I think we're gonna be going in twos, but I don't know. We'll see.
else print, what value do we need to print? P?
We need both, I think.
print P. Alright, I'll do this. F strings. Cool. So we'll say P. What the fuck? Alright, so P colon and then P, just like that. So this will be Q. That would be Q. Oh, we don't really need N because we already have N. Yeah. Alright. And then we'll just break the loop.
My only issue right now is we don't have any base value for P or for Q.
Well, Q gets assigned to P
Oh, yeah,
plus
yeah,
2.
yeah, yeah.
So we don't have to worry about it. The only thing that's throwing us off is this, well, is prime Q. It's
Yeah,
like giving us error.
We don't even need it.
Do we?
I don't think so. That was just the formula to get N, I think, for them showing us. So keep the Q equals P plus 2 and remove the while loop. Yeah, that one.
And then if N equals P.
And then you don't
Oh, I
even
guess we don't need this, yeah. Alright. Alright, so Python 3 RSA decrypt no module dot crypto. Oh, I fucking misspelled. Oh, maybe that was the problem. Maybe that's why I didn't recognize it. You could probably uncomment that, but
Breaks it.
right.
This is gonna take forever.
Yeah.
There's gotta be a better way to do this.
Yeah, that's probably with the prime.
I'm trying to look at the documentation for the crypto stuff, that package.
Hold on. Let me uncomment this. So Q equals P plus 2.
So try get prime. Get prime
Get.
and then put N in there and just see what happens. No, don't fall asleep, computer. I hate you.
I have no idea. Where did that N equals come from? Yeah, I know. What the fuck was that? Overflow error. Integer too large to convert.
It said, "You too big, senpai."
Damn. Story of my life.
I bet.
So if Q equals P plus 2, right? So if P is 0, Q is 2. Wow. Q isn't a prime.
Install crypto.
So instead of
I'm not seeing it. It's not letting me get this stinking thing.
So if I just do is prime two. What do you mean is not defined? What do you mean by that? Is prime is not. Oh. What? Dot numbers? What what? Oh, is that math? Import math. What's up, Pepe the Frog? Shoddy. Maybe it's part of math. Maybe that's what it is. Import math. Bro, what does is prime belong to?
I have no idea. I think it's the crypto library.
I tried it, but it doesn't even know what it is. Oh! Whoa,
It might
oh,
not
oh,
be
oh, oh,
number.
oh, oh. As C dot is prime 2. There you go. Okay. So C dot is prime. That should work. Why is it giving me an error? So N, oh yeah, we can't redefine N. So while C dot is prime, so if this is,
I can't even import high crypto for some reason.
so C dot, so if you import it as C, what happens if I run it now? Invalid syntax, yeah. So while exclamation point, so while, all right, does this look right to you?
Sorry. Start my crypto is pip uninstall. Okay. Yeah, see what happens. I still think it's gonna give you a buffer overflow, whatever it's called.
Yeah. So while true, Q equals P plus 2, then while C is not a prime, so while this is not true. Oh, wait, well, this only executes if it is true, so. Alright, yeah, this just going to take a second. Alright. So if n is equal to this, p is equal to 0, so q is equal to p plus 2, while not, let me just copy this. So what's the first value? This would be 2. So this is true. And then on the next iteration, q is plus equal to 2. So this would be 4. So q is equal to p plus 2. While it is not a prime, while q is not a prime, we'll add 2 to it. So so we can do, I mean, this does the same thing, but it might be easier to read. So while this thing, so while c that is prime is not true, this is still going. So if p times q are not equal to n, we'll increment p by 1. I'm going to try to make this easier to read. So if p is times q is actually equal to n, we can do all this stuff. Otherwise, so trying So trying. All right. So
There's
any
a-
luck?
There's on that page, the decode. If you go down a little bit, there's a calculate or get prime factors. So it's getting p and q from n. So you can put n in there, and it will give you what it believes to be the p and q. Which is weird that it doesn't just do that automatically.
Get prime factors decomposition.
Yeah. So I get a result, but it's kind of a weird result, and I don't really know how to read it.
I'll go ahead and try it. For n, right?
Yeah.
So this 1335 number. Oh, that's just the n. 127. Yeah, that's just n. So. Oh, so this is equal to this. Yeah, I see. So this is.
Aha, I think I got it.
P. This is Q.
Oh, I got it. I got the flag.
Oh, you got the flag? Nice, 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 nice. Submit it.
I think that's my first real flag on a CTF.
Oh, well, congrats. Good job, man.
Thanks. So how I did it, in that prime factors, it tells you the first one.
Yeah,
So
and
the
then you plug
output.
them in for P and Q.
Yeah, but so it tells you that first one, which is 309 digits, and then the next one, it refactors it and goes down to 155 digits, and then the last one goes, yeah, so the bottom two numbers are the digits. One sec.